Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I just logged on to record that. Oops, I just stopped it. Okay, but that all of Jorvik's waters, well, not all of Jorvik's, but most of Jorvik's water has frozen over. Look at that, and now we are heading into Dino Valley to go see what that aurora is. You saw that aurora, right? Okay. So yeah, just go into there. Even though cinnamon is not cold tolerant, no way. This has to be a glitch, right? See, it doesn't say she's cold tolerant. She can fully gallop. Maybe it's because that winter has arrived in York. I don't know. Oh, I meant to enter the elevator. Look, the bridle even disappears when you're on the elevator. You can only see the stars. You can only oh see now it shows that she's not cold tolerant. And now she's gonna gallop slow. See? Wait, what? She can still fully gallop. What is this? Because of the extreme climate, your horse is freezing and will be moving more slowly. Some horse breeds cope better with this kind of cold. But literally when she's full gallop, this is pretty funny. So yeah, this is nice. When I'm not on a cold tolerant horse, I can fully gallop. Oh, is the heat runner fully? Or I don't. Oh, oh, she's full galloping. See, she's full galloping. Okay, wait, where is that Aurora? It looks like it's actually right here in camp. Right here in camp. Right here, right now in camp. Right here and right now in camp. Oh, a lost penguin. Yes, have you seen the lost penguin by any chance? They were all here just a second ago and now I can't find them anywhere. If you could find it, could you try to guide it back here? Oh, yes, Cora. See, there's only two baby penguins. There's only two penguins. Oh, see, here's one, here's one, here's one. Hey, Cora, is this the one you were looking for? Wait, where is it? Wait, what? Did it not follow me? Oh, shh. Oh, we have to guide it by pushing it. Aww. Okay, that's a little bit of a bummer because like I really don't like these kind of leading backs. No, 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 no. Go the other. No, 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 no. Oh my gosh, not that far into Dino Valley. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, I'm not going to record this because you'll probably get bored to death. So I'm just not going to record this, and I will record it again once I get him back because he is gonna enter Dino Valley into very far. So guys, basically, I got the penguin back up onto the road. Then I got myself into a little bit of a pickle. If you're wondering why I'm going up here, you'll see why. Okay, easy, 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 easy. See, look at him. He's on the mountain. Oh my gosh, what am I going to do? I'm just going to stop recording until I get him back. I relogged, see what that would do. Like, no, we're just going to give up on it. Sorry guys, see you all in another video. Bye.